Good day, friends. I'm very excited to share with you our autumn edition of our selected box. We as a group put this together, and we are clearly of the opinion that you will really enjoy it. Two of the wines is from our Vinotheek, and it's so amazing to taste a wine that's been kept and matured under our ideal conditions. The first one, 2025, the Grendel Sauvignon Blanc, our biggest single line, and it's fruit from the farm. There's 8% Semillon with it, and it's wine of origin Cape Town, and it's a wine that fits different palates from connoisseurs to everyday drinkers. The second one is definitely a richer wine with a bit more weight on the palate. It's a Sauvignon Blanc that we refer to as Coetzee. It's from Darling, and 50% of this spent 6 months in barrel and blended with a tank portion. Then Pinot Noir from Ceres. It's so exciting to show you our first vintage 2012 versus the 2022, and it will be really great if you can open both these wines and see how the quality evolve over years as the vineyard is getting older, and of course we adapt to the vinification of this wine. Then Syrah from Ceres, also growing on one of the highest vineyards on the Western Cape with that unique pepperiness and spicy flavors. And then ending off with our coastal region Shiraz, first of all a 2022 versus again a 2012. The 2022 is a blend between the Grendel fruit and some Shiraz from Stellenbosch, where the 2012 was 100% from Stellenbosch. Enjoy it. It's going to be great to taste and try.